Hello?
Hello. Yeah, hi. This is Catherine. I got a call from your side, and I'm calling you from the technical support
I'm
team.
sorry, could you say that again? Yes?
I'm saying I got a call from your side. I'm
Oh,
calling you
you know what?
from.
I I was in the middle of watching Real Housewives, and I gotta pause it real fast. I'm so sorry. That's, it's yeah, it's the LA reunion. I'm really sorry. I just gotta. But keep going. This is good. I'm super interested. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't understand you, ma'am.
Excuse me?
I'm saying I didn't understand you. Can I beg your pardon?
Okay, great.
I'm saying I'm not understanding you. Can you please repeat for me?
Sure.
So how can I help you?
Okay.
Hello.
Hold on one second. Get the dog out of the microwave. Get it out of the microwave. I don't care if it fits. I'm so sorry. Kids are very rambunctious. Okay. Go ahead.
You go ahead, ma'am. You called me. I didn't call you.
Mhm.
So tell me, how can I help you?
Okay.
What okay? I'm asking to you something.
Sure.
What's your?
Okay.
What's your, ma'am? Hello? Hello?
Uh-huh. No, 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 no. Get it. No! Do not open the door. Get the dog out of the microwave. Absolutely not. It's not how you make a hot dog. Take it out. That's ridiculous. Honey, get the dog. Will you please just get the kids out of the kitchen? I'm on the phone right now. Yeah, I'm trying to talk to somebody. Just thank you. I'm very sorry. Could you go back over that last part? I'm so sorry. Everybody's a little crazy around here. Okay. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me, how can I help you?
Mhm. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes? Hello?
Tell me, how can I help you? Hello?
Go ahead. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello, are there?
Yes?
Yes, I'm out. Are you facing any kind of problem in your computer? Just tell me.
Uh-huh. Really? What was
Alright.
that last part?
Yes. Are you facing some kind of problems in your computer?
Got it.
Yes, me too. You got it?
Mhm.
Yes, me too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Are there? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's right. Like that. Mm-hmm.
Have you always wanted to do sales?
What do you want, ma'am? If you have any problem in your computer, then let me know about it.
Okay.
Yes, then tell me.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Mhm. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, just no. That's great. Parker, get the diaper off your head. Put it back on your brother. Put it back on your brother. Get it off your head. Thank you. I'm so sorry for that. I'm riding solo tonight. Sorry. Could you just what were you saying about that last part? Okay. Okay. Huh. I I am so sorry. These kids, I swear they're caged animals. One took his diaper off and put it on the other one's head. I mean, can you believe it? He's running around with no diaper. This is what I'm dealing
Are
with
you
here.
there?
I
Are you there?
apologize.
Are you
Keep
there?
going. I'm so sorry. You were saying?
Are you there?
Really? You cannot pee on the floor. Do not. If your sister's in the bathroom, you wait. You wait your turn. We don't go on the floor. I don't care if the dog goes on the floor. We don't go on floors. Thank you. Honey, can you get the mop? Thank you. See, we didn't have to talk with him about that. It's crazy. I'm so sorry. Mhm. Hello? 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 Hello?